Good evening, everyone. This is Puerto de la Cruz, and now it's I think 11 p.m. So take a look at the scenery. This is pretty unknown. It's Sunday, and yeah, of course, you know it's 11, and the temperature is around 70. No, sorry, 72. 22 Celsius. And of course, people are having dinner, and the colors are beautiful to see. I can say that. You know, something you can't feel is the smell. The smell of fish dishes. Take a look at the view from here. Yeah, I think it's wonderful. And the sea, of course, is rough as always. This is the Atlantic Ocean. I want to go once again to Plaza del Charco. And people are strolling, and it's normal. And of course, you know, there are no live bands, so I'm not forced to add some music to cover, of course, you know, copyrighted material. That's the church, or, you know, to be honest, the cathedral. Let me show you. And there we go. Yeah, I want to show the whole thing. And of course, there are tourists from all over Europe. Yeah, I like this road here. You know, bars, restaurants are open. People are allowed to dine there. We're heading to Plaza del Charco. That's an important square here in Puerto de la Cruz. Yeah, some shops are closed. Other ones are open. Yeah, nightlife is very active here. And that's Plaza del Charco. And here we are. A lot of lights. And tables are here. Yeah, people are still enjoying the cool night. There is a breeze that is very pleasant at the moment, so it's very good to stay outside, of course. Some people are buying some ice cream. There is a Chinese restaurant also. You know, you can find all kinds of stuff here. Yeah, of course, you know, when I want to go shopping, I go to, you know, a supermarket called Hyper Dino, or in Spanish, Hiperdino. Yeah, you can find, you know, a lot of groceries that are, first of all, cheap, and also good quality, we can say. Yeah, this bar is about to close. Yeah, I want to go there. I mean, I want to go past Plaza del Charco. Oh, I like this cocktail. I mean, both of them. Not only one. I would like to taste. Yeah, this road is empty here. But you know, no. Yeah, this is another interesting area. It's called El Muelle. Restaurants, still tables. Of course, there's a very nice place where you can find emojis. You know, they just you know, yeah, this one, the other one, this one, and this one, yeah, and that's all. So I wonder which one is your favorite. Yeah, that's a very nice idea, of course. Okay, let me go to El Muelle. Of course, as you can see here, there is also a cafeteria called El Muelle. Yeah, this is sort of beach in the morning during the day. Yeah, you can see the water. You can see my shadow, of course. It's not a good thing to see compared to the beauties of Tenerife. I remember there was a Starbucks place, but now it's gone. And that's a statue. You know, it's an interesting selfie place. A lot of people take selfies here.
Por ejemplo, la ropa.
Yeah, that's a typical Canarian woman. Yeah, so we're not far from Plaza del Charco.
Sí, pues era mi vecino la aquí.
And let's go back to where we started, trying to move forward. Yeah, people are still having dinner. You know, prices are not very expensive here. That's the beauty of it. So I'm heading west towards Playa Jardin. We're not gonna go there for obvious reasons. So the street here starts to be empty. And that's the beginning of the end of the town center. I mean the most important place. Yeah, you know, there are restaurants you can find in alleys. And here, yeah, I think it's a good idea to go as far as Don Camillo restaurant. It's a pizza restaurant. They're supposed to have Italian pizza. Don Camillo was a fictional character, typical of northern Italy. Yeah, like this alley with these palm trees. Yeah, that's the restaurant. You know, you can also see here, very beautiful graffiti. I don't know who she is, but you know, it's beautiful to see. There is another one along the street. Let me just find it, and then we can end the video. So quiet here. I think it's quieter than the other place. Yeah, maybe we went past. Yeah, Islas Canarias. The Canary Islands. Yeah, that's a part I want to show you. Let me just move aside. So we're getting close to Playa Jardin. And I think we have time to go there. Just enjoy the landscape.
Que me muero. Se pasó. Eso lo contaba yo.
Nobody's around, so we can go. Yeah, you know, it's a good time to have some shots and to enjoy life. So it's understandable to see some people who are so high, we can say that. This building here, so we are getting closer to this building, is the Hotel Sol. This one with a lot of lights on. is the Hotel Puerto de la Cruz. Yeah, I stayed there. Yeah, some years ago. I don't remember when. Yeah, the service was okay. They offered very good breakfast and very good dinner, so they were included in the final price. And so that's a good thing. Let me show. Yeah, a lot of lights. Oh, here they're building a very big swimming pool. So it's a construction site. So, work in progress here. Yeah, the hotel is next to the cemetery. I hope you're not superstitious. Yeah, sometimes you can have ghosts bothering you. Or no, that's okay. I don't know if you're superstitious, but come on, we're in 2021, not in 1321. And after this, you'll get a big surprise. Well, and here's Playa Castillo. Here's the castle. Or, to be right, Playa Jardin. I don't know if you can see Punta Brava from here. I think so. Yeah, there are some lights up ahead. Not here. Not here. But here. Well, folks, it's time for me to say good night. Leave me a like. Feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line. And ciao for now.